Hello. So I wanted today to give you a quick tutorial on how to use GitHub Desktop for version control with Matlab. So there's also a good chance for me to practice using OBS. So the first thing you need is GitHub Desktop. You can get that with a quick Google search GitHub Desktop, and then just download for your computer. After following the installation, you'll get a screen that looks like this. And then we just want to clone a repository from the internet. So we can grab the repository URL from GitHub, just copy that, and then put that in there. Oh, URL, put that in there, and it'll clone it to that local path. We're going to copy that local path, clone. All right, and then we're going to pop open Matlab. We're going to take that local path that we copied and put it up there, enter, and here we are. So we can make our local changes and they will show up in GitHub Desktop. So using this one, let's just go into the main file here. And then we'll change it to start display at 1 and we'll have it show the paths and we'll save it. And you'll see that that changes to a little blue mark there. I don't know what changed here. And then, all right, we click back over into this window, we refocus on the GitHub window, and it'll show us the um, version that's changed or the files that have changed and what's changed in them. Now you can use GitHub directly through or Git directly through Matlab, but honestly it doesn't show changes as simply as this does and it's a little bit more of a pain. So to do a commit, we can just make a quick note here. I swear I can type. And then we can just do a quick commit. All right. And then when we're happy with our commits, it's really easy to push it up. So let's see, just go up to repository, push, and it's pushing it to GitHub. And let's see, let's go back into our GitHub and we'll refresh this window real quick. And we can see that it has pushed up. Very easy. And of course, to do a pull to make sure that you're working with the correct code, you just go up to repository and pull. And that's basically it. All right, thank you.